welcome back to my channel. Sorry, it's been 3 months.
The European premiere of Wicked!
I'm at Sophie T Art's house.
You make me look so uncomfortable.
Matthew and Ryan here.
It's all Penhaligons. Oh, take your coat off, Mazzy. I've only just now started the vlog. I'm in London, I'm on the bus. I'm heading to my friend Abby's house. You know, art comedy, good. You? Tonight we're going to the Wicked premiere, so I've got nails done. And then, I don't have any mascara on yet, I'm going to do that after. I'm so excited. I'm also staying in London for 4 days, so tomorrow I'm hanging out with my mum, and then the day after I'm hanging out with my mum again. And then I've got the Luxotarian Christmas dinner. I've got the world's most enormous suitcase with me, which is super slay. I almost got on the wrong bus. He kept saying I'm going to King's Cross, and I was like, I need you to know that means nothing to me. It's giving Sylvanian family prom. Yeah, the last time we spoke I was on the bus. No, I'm not. Finished my makeup. I'm at Sophie T Art's house. That's her Christian name, she's over there, avoiding Alex. Abby's here too. I'm here too. Hi, Abby. Really moved up in the world. There you go, just pan down like they do to women on the red carpet. I'll just be the tripod, that's what he said. This fit, will you pan down please?
It's facing
these
you.
Are my Mrs. Tweedy boots, actually. And then I did this little tutu, dresses down to matter, as is the hair bow that Abby did
Turn around
for me. Oh, and this is hooray! Say hi. Hi. We're on the way to pick up tickets first. I feel very under pressure.
We're feeling type A.
We're feeling very, very type A.
It's a black cab, isn't it?
Yeah, so they go through the traffic. But it's been very exciting. Once you get us together, we go very posh and very type A.
We do, why?
I don't know.
We get, our bum holes go tighter.
They do. We're terrible, we make each other worse.
You make me look so uncomfortable.
When I'm with you, I don't feel like my authentic self.
No, yeah, I feel like I have to be somebody else.
You do, and you should. I don't want to talk about it. We got very, very lost on the way here. But I've got a glass of wine. They've got cute pink and green drinks, but I went for a glass of Sammy B. Everyone looks sensational. I did almost think we weren't going to make it, but we made it. I can't relax.
Hi, Maddie from the future. Matthew and Ryan here, Maddie's best friends.
Yeah, okay. We're in the queue.
This is half the time. Maddie's had a really good time getting to the queue.
I'm getting the rain. I can't. Every sign the universe is saying this is a bad idea. And the universe is like, stop.
And you're still here.
Oh, great. Why is the lighting giving in this underpass?
It's so good. You're into the
I would just quite like to see the film, if I'm honest at this point.
It's a good film.
When we did this photo when you're both kissing me, you're going to do a kiss, aren't you? But we might be in the middle.
Whenever. Go on the
I'm
carpet.
just kidding, I've actually hate that. You don't hate that?
Me too.
It's Ariana!
I hear screams, I know it's not even me.
Sophie T. Welcome to the vlog.
Hello everyone.
It's not gloves, it's her real skin. There's a lot of screaming.
Tweets.
What? My hair's not going to look any better, so I'm giving up. I'm just going to let it get wet. It's over. Hi, it's raining, and I'm just going to get wet. I've decided. I won't look any better, so just leave it. We don't know what's going on. I've had 2 glasses of wine. I love you! Hey Abby, do you want me for your red carpet look?
It's a lovely dress with a vintage John Lewis wool coat over the head.
I've got no idea what's happening. And I'm not advocating, but I thought it was so easy to sneak in. It's nuts. Oh, Monty, would you like to be in the vlog? It's going to be terrible. This is Monty. Monty is a rock star. I hope so. We're in, we're here. I have found Abby. She is over there. This is my new friend. Whose name I've forgotten. I didn't know.
I'm Val. Hey Val. No, I'm Val. It's been a long day, guys. We're really grateful about this whole site.
We're really quite thrilled actually. And there's a Dr. Paul lit. Oh, I saw that. I'll live stream the whole film, okay, bye.
Welcome to the European premiere of Wicked! Woo! The visionary that is John M. Chu.
We then started on a journey. We made the stage musical. I want to thank my colleagues and friends at Universal Pictures for their support of the show and of the film for all these many years. I waited a very long time to make the movie. There are many reasons why I waited so long, but I think the real reason was one that I'm not sure I was aware of, and that was that I was waiting for someone who had such imagination, such talent, and such humanity to raise his hand and say, I want to direct this film. And that man is Mr. John M. Chu.
We had a baby on the day. And so it feels so nice to be home here on the home court. Johnny, baby! Maybe a little Ariana Grande? Yeah! And of course, Cynthia Erivo!
Thank you, Wicked Part 1. Enjoy the movie and welcome to Oz.
Hello, it's the next day. Didn't vlog at all after the carpet. It was all, or maybe I did, I can't remember. And then I went back to Sophie's house and had a carbonara and it was lovely. And now, I'm with Mummy! And we are going to see Benjamin Button the musical, obviously. We're having a bit of brunch, lunch first, because we're both very hungry. Mum got the train down, didn't you, boy self? Subway. I can't hear a word I'm saying. But then we're gonna go to the hotel. I've already been dropped my bag off. It's very nice. It's called the Adria.
I think I did this for
We're here. They have left me a little letter and some fresh fruit. And also this. Oh, truffles. Milk, sea salt, caramel. Oh, nick it, that's what the £50 deposit's for. 2 single beds. It's called the croquet room because of this. This is the bathroom. Butt sink. Hand sink. Ready to fly my jet. A remote in the bath. Oh my god, there's a telly in the shower, Mum. Is there? Yeah, there's a telly in the shower. I wonder why there's a waterproof remote. Mum, the bath stuff's Penhaligons.
Is it?
Yeah.
I thought, shall I bring anything back there?
It's all Penhaligons. Halfetti.
Oh, excellent.
Nice.
I've got my Penhaligon perfume with me.
Look, and all that over there is Penhaligons too.
Well, don't use it, just give it to me. So, using that.
Oh, good. Let's have some fruit. It's a lovely kettle, actually. That is genuinely what that deposit is for. Ice and further accompaniments are available on request by dialing your butler. Hello, I'd like to be bottled. Iberico crisps. Where are we going now? Just going out, popping out for a spot of dinner. Where are we going? Oh, Ken. Flash iron. To Ken. Flash iron at Ken. Oh, I don't know what she's talking about. This is where we're staying. So I'm being very careful on this. We're at Flatiron. We've never been here. This is coming home with me. Flatiron steak, chips, cream spinach, macaroni and cheese, and some red wine.
I feel like red wine, you should have red wine instead, really. there are many types of wine.
Good morning, viewers! Welcome back to the vlog. This is how my eyebrows work. Let's make it focus. How my eyebrows going? Still a gap in it. I haven't touched it. It's been 5 days. I'm doing quite well. The time is now 9:20. We're going for afternoon tea at the Shard today. Aqua Shard. It's Peter Pan themed. I've just made myself a tiny little coffee. Look at my tiny coffee. Mother's over there in her little space themed nightie. Yes, I'm just having my tiny coffee, then I'm going to put my makeup on and then get dressed, and then I'm going to leave my bag here because we're going to go to the Shard and then I'll drop Mum at the station and I'm going to come back here, get my suitcase, go to the next hotel, and then tonight I have the Loxtown Christmas dinner. So I've got lots planned. I'm going to wear a Dams and Madder dress today and also this evening. This is the outfit. I've got this dress from Dams and Madder and you can't really see because I've got my coat. Oh, take your coat off, Mazzy. It's got little bows on the sleeves and then it's got black. I think it's being a bit peculiar. Does it look alright? I'd do anything. It made me want to break out into song. As long as he needs me. Yes, he does need me. In spite of what you see, I know that he needs me. Who else? That's enough. And then I'm wearing this coat that I've been wearing all week. All week, you've been here 3 days. We're off to the Shard, but we're going to be a bit early because we don't like to rush. And Borough Market's nearby. I'm not going to eat anything because that would be silly. But then we're having afternoon tea in the Shard, aren't we, Mother? There she is. There she is. We're in Borough Market now. We've got a bit of time for afternoon tea. I really wish this would focus because I think over there is where Bridget Jones' house is. I'm unashamedly looking for the Bridget Jones door. I think it's around here. I think it's one of these doors maybe. I would guess it's this one, but I'm really not sure. There she is, the tiny mother in the wild. Okay, Mum, ready to see the Shard for the first time? Mum's regretting her choice of destination for afternoon tea. OMG. Time is 16:46. I'm now in my third place of the few days. Second hotel. I'm in a Z hotel. I couldn't be bothered to fork out the extra however much to have a window. So this is the room. Afternoon tea was excellent. Half a bottle of wine. Whoopsie! I dropped Mum off at Euston, popped her onto the train. It was so busy, but it was really good timing. There was a train that was leaving in 10 minutes. So I put her on that, and then I went from Euston back to the Adria because I'd left that bastard at that hotel because I was not carting that around London. So I went and got that. So I went Euston to the Adria, and then the Adria to Z Hotel. I'm at Z Hotel, Trafalgar Square. I don't know. I've stayed at the Tottenham Court Road one before several times. I don't love that there's not a window, but I don't really plan on spending very long in here because at 7 I've got the Loxtown Christmas party. I mean, this dress is very Christmassy, but I've got a more fun dress that I'm gonna wear. I mean, really, it's coming up to 5. I'm gonna sit down just for a bit. Oh my god, I'm knackered. And then I will get ready. I'm wearing another Dams and Madder dress. I've worn my third Dams and Madder dress that I've worn in as many days. How exciting. And then we're gonna do the makeup, which will be inspired heavily by what I'm already wearing. Put some eye makeup on. I've bought one of my, well, I hope I have, one of my Bobbi Brown eye pencils. You can just blend it and it tends to look slay. But I think I might take all my clothes off and lie on my front now. Well, I'm hoping past Maddie booked this hotel because it was close to where I'm going for dinner. So I'm gonna Google map that now. 0.3 miles away. Yeah, boy! 8-minute walk. Sick. Okay, excellent. That's really good news. So I'll leave here at 7. Oh, I'm gonna put the telly on. I hope there's some sort of racing show. What? I mean, like police interceptors. I will see you when I see you. Bye. Welcome back. I've had a brief hose down and broken my suitcase. Not in that order actually, other way around. Didn't need the hose down because I broke my suitcase. Wouldn't open, the zip was already a bit ropey, so either tomorrow I'm gonna buy a new suitcase before I take like a 9:30 train, or I'm gonna buy gaffer tape, or both. Gaffer tape myself to the new suitcase and throw myself in the Thames. I haven't decided. Taking this makeup look to simply by adding more of the same on top. As always, the get ready with me might be on TikTok, I don't know. When I stop this camera, if I can be bothered to start this one, we'll find out. Okay, I'll see you when I'm ready, bye. The makeup is done, the dress is on. Now, the issue is the bows on the back. The back, this bottom looks fine, this top one looks terrible. I'm gonna ask someone downstairs to tie it for me, I'm sure they won't mind. The time is now 18:49, so I'm just gonna go. Oh God, I had a key in here somewhere. Gone forever, it's sad.
This year, the collection is inspired by a train kind of winding through an ingredient-filled landscape.
With his head filled with plans to respect all the land and the ecosystem it sustains, his little glass vials that held his pure oils were recycled and then used again. The story of L'Occitane.
Oh my goodness me, I'm back. The time is 23:26. I had the most wonderful time. But here's the thing, I always do when it's L'Occitane. I always do. I would like also to take this opportunity to apologise publicly to Debbie for whacking her arm against the door frame. That was an accident. It was a part of a bit. I picked her up. I'm so sorry, I feel awful. This is my official public apology. Wait, I need to wear like a grey hoodie and have a plain background and cry. That's an official apology, isn't it? I saw all of my favourite people, well nearly all of my favourite people. Best time. Food, unbelievable. And also, I have come away with, a plethora of goodies. They had products out on the tables as like decoration, and when it got towards the end, because Debbie and I were the last gals standing, I mean, I was essentially mind-sweeping the event for the Immortelle broadly, and the Almond collection. God, and the rest of it. So fun, and the dress went down an absolute charm. I actually did end up asking the blokes on reception to help with the top bow, and that they did. He said it looked less shit. Now, my suitcase has broken. It's broken. So the plan is parcel tape. Got this from the event, and I'll be seeing all my fave Loxy girls again on Tuesday. I'm actually really not sure if I've booked a train. I don't think I have. Anyway, what fun. Bye.